Flexible graphite exhibits outstanding chemical resistance, high compressibility, resilience, superior performance in elevated temperatures, and thermal properties. It's proven to be a versatile choice for a wide range of industrial applications. With CDI's recent acquisition of EGC Enterprises, CDI has added flexible graphite to its material offering. While flexible graphite has unique sealing and thermal advantages, it also requires sophisticated engineering and manufacturing that optimizes for tensile strength, oxidation, vibration and pressure vulnerabilities, reduced emissions, and energy savings. CDI's proprietary Thermafoil grades elevate these essential characteristics by exercising precise control over the raw structure to ensure the chemical attributes, density, and purity meet the specific requirements of various applications. CDI further enhances our Thermafoil flexible graphite by employing diverse materials and manufacturing techniques to modify its structure. Through these refined designs, we achieve tighter control over critical aspects, resulting in better overall performance in key areas. Thermafoil delivers optimal performance across a spectrum of sealing products custom-tailored for aerospace, automotive, petrochemical refining, chemical production, and power generation applications. Additionally, it excels in thermal management devices designed for the food, medical, and industrial sectors. As a vertically integrated manufacturer, CDI provides end-to-end expertise to meet your most complex specifications with scalability for growing demand. Get engineered, high-performance, flexible graphite solutions when you need them. Turn to CDI as your trusted partner. To learn more, visit www.cdiproducts.com.